guys, Russell Babekuhl here from the ABU Pro team. We're up here in southeast Queensland at the moment and we're chasing around some of those giant barramundi. We got our hands early on some Revo VOLTiQ bait cast reels. Now I've fished with a lot of bait casters. These things are so user friendly. We're doing cast after cast all day long. Been using the high speed version up here, which is really good for the style that we've been doing. We've been burning really fast on the edges. Now one of the things I noticed straight away is that comfort in the hand. That is a really important feature and something that the ABUs have always really been. They've just got better and better and better. So they tuck in nice, but being compact hasn't compromised on drags. We've got a class leading over 11 kilo of drag packed into that little body. So when you need stopping power, it's going to be there. There's a few different features on this reel. Inside on this side, this is where all the magic happens. That's where the electronic cast control braking system is housed. Now you'll notice numbers from 1 all the way through to 10. Now what those settings are, 1 to 3 is pro mode. Now what that's going to allow you to do is throw those massive long casts. It doesn't apply a brake through the whole spin cycle. So you can get maximum revolutions on that reel without restricting it at all. So as you move into a different scenario, you might be casting into the wind or throwing something slightly heavier, you can just click it up and each click is going to put a little bit more brake on that reel. Your 10 is going to tighten it up a lot more than your 4. So if you're throwing a big paddle tail or something like that around, you might find the need to wind it right up, or if you're just starting off and not quite as experienced. So the more experience you get, the different lures you use, you can adjust that to suit you. So it's really huge variety of areas that you can use that in different scenarios. Built with an aluminium frame and carbon side plates, keeps it nice and compact, nice and light at just over 200 grams. This thing's a pleasure to fish with all day long. So this one is the Revo SX, and that's the top of the range, punching out about 11 kilo of drag. You don't quite need that. Also got the Revo X. Now that's the silver one, carbon frame, carbon body, and still punching around 9 kilo of drag. We still have to remember, it's a normal bait caster. You can't just go out and completely not think. You still have to tighten the knob on the side to adjust the line coming off. Can you do a full cast and take your thumb off? You can when you've got it set up right. It's really comfortable like that. But just remember, it's just like using a normal bait caster for you with all the smart features that they've created.